So this comment basically comes from a video where I spoke about how important it is for disabled people with mobility aids to be on a catwalk because we strive for inclusion and representation. However, a lot of people just don't see disabled people as the same level as them. Like, at the end of the day, a lot of people do just think that they are worth more than disabled people. And it's really sad, because disabled people also wear clothes. So why would you not want to see us on a catwalk? Like, even if it's not for you, that's going to be other disabled people that are younger, that want representation, that want to see themselves in other people. Because, again, disabled people also wear clothes. I just think it's really wild how non-disabled people think they are worth more than us because they can walk.